welcome back to my channel, The Happy Mommy. So friends, today I have got a very interesting video for you. In this video, my friend Tinika is going to show you how to make miniature vegetables out of clay. These miniatures are not only fun to make, but by this miniatures you can also teach your kids about vegetables. Like you'll see in the video, she's making so many vegetables like cabbage, carrot, chilies, and many more. So she has done this work in a very beautiful way, and I simply love her work. So I thought of sharing it with you guys. So go ahead, have a look in the video. I hope you redo this at home and have a lot of fun with your kids. And before we get started, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hope you like the video. The first vegetable we are going to make are peas. For this we require a green play-doh, and we are going to roll and tap it with our fingers. Once it's flattened, we'll enlarge it, giving it a shape of a pea. We have to be very soft with our hands so that the clay doesn't break down. Now we are going to pinch the sides to give it a shape of a pea. Take a lighter green color and make small balls out of it. Roll it on your palm and make small balls. Put it in between the empty space. Repeat it until we have the place filled. Tap it to give it a finishing touch. Adjust the peas in between, and our beautiful pea is ready. The next we are going to make a tomato. For this we require a red play-doh. We'll roll it slightly with our hands and give it this proper shape. We have to remember to use our hands very gently so that it doesn't break off. Now we require a dark green play-doh, and we're going to roll it with our hands so that it is a little thin. Then we are going to use a toothpick and cut it into smaller pieces. Let us decorate the top of the tomato. You can adjust the length and the breadth according to your requirement. We are again going to cut one small piece, roll it with our fingers and put it on top. You could also let your children do the rolling part because they really enjoy playing with Play-Doh. Our little tomato is ready. We'll keep it aside. And now we are going to take a purple color Play-Doh for our brinjal or eggplant. We have to make it nice and smooth, so we have to roll it till the dough gets its proper softness. And we are going to give it a shape of an eggplant or a brinjal. Tap it very lightly. Now taking the green Play-Doh, we are going to make the top part. Again the same rolling and giving it a shape. It has to be smooth, it has to be a little thin from up and a little thick from the downside. Now tap it slowly towards the end and pinch a little from three sides. Be very careful not to pinch too much or the Play-Doh will come out. Yes, slowly tap in between and now put it on the top part. Now slightly press the green one so that it sticks to the purple dough. Give it a finishing touch using light hand movements, and our beautiful brinjal or eggplant is ready. Isn't that cute? Now we are going to make another vegetable, and that is carrot. For this we require orange Play-Doh. Again, for softness we have to roll it a little with our hands. Now give it a long shape because carrots are usually longer. So with our hands we are going to keep rolling it until we get the desired softness. And once we are done rolling with it, just make it flat with your hands and give it a little shape. This also, like other vegetable, is going to be thicker on the upside and a little thin from the bottom. Not too much because carrots are not usually very thin, so we'll keep it a little healthy. Now from the sides we are going to flatten it. Once you are satisfied with the shape and the size, we can move on to the next step. With the help of a toothpick, you are going to make impressions on the carrot slowly and steadily. Because we see there are a lot of lines in our carrots which we eat daily. So those lines we are going to make with the help of a toothpick. Using very light hand movements to be sure not to break the Play-Doh. Make the impression throughout the body, on the sides, on the back, on the front, using very light hand movements. Now again we are going to take the remaining green Play-Doh which we had rolled before during the tomato time. Flatten it a little more. And with the help of a toothpick, we are going to cut it into small parts. Once you have 3 to 4 together, just press it in the end so that they all stick together lightly. And now put that on top of the carrot so that we have the green of the carrot. The next vegetable we are going to make is a capsicum or a bell pepper. Now taking the yellow Play-Doh, if you don't have yellow you can also use a green or a red one because we also get bell peppers which are green and red. So you can also use that. Give it a punch it from sides and give it a little squarish, roundish shape. This also will be thicker from up and a little lighter from down. See how nicely she's pinching from all the sides. Now press it gently. Now again we got to take the green Play-Doh. Pinch out a little Play-Doh and we are going to make the top part of our capsicum which is green. Slowly with our hands we are going to give it a shape. This is a very simple one. So just pinch it from down. Yes. And stick it on the top. Gently press it. And our capsicum is also ready. Now we are going to make another vegetable. And this is going to be a cauliflower. So for that we require a white Play-Doh, and since cauliflower is usually round, we are going to give it a proper round cylindrical shape. Once a round circle shape is ready, we are going to keep it aside. And again we are going to take that green Play-Doh, pinch a little, roll it on our desk, flatten it, and give it a leaf shape, the round leaf shape. Now with the help of a toothpick, we are going to make impressions on the leaf. Isn't she doing a wonderful job? We stick it on the cauliflower. Now comes the other leaf. We have to repeat the same procedure for at least 4 or more leaves. Press it gently, and again we are going to give it a toothpick impression. Now we're going to stick it to the first one. Be very careful while sticking, because you have to be sure that it sticks properly and it doesn't ruin the shape of the vegetable. The third leaf. Again we are going to use the toothpick for pricking it. We attach the third leaf, give it a proper shape, and now the last leaf. Prick on all the sides. We attach the fourth leaf, and our cauliflower leaves are ready. Spread the leaves properly. Now using the back side of a toothpick, we are slightly going to make impressions on the cauliflower. And a cute little cauliflower is ready. Now we are going to make another vegetable, that is my favorite, chilies. For chili we need the dark green dough. You can also use the light green one if you don't have. Again the same way we are going to roll it with our hands. Take it from up and thin it from down. Press it a little. Give it a shape of a chili. Now take another small ball, make a roll of it, press it gently. This way I am making the top part of the chili. Press it from the bottom, pinch chili from all three sides. Slowly. Now we are going to attach it on the top part of our chili. See, aren't they beautiful? Do try them at your place and share a picture with us on Instagram or Facebook. Be sure to tag us. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. Bye bye. Take care.